Hello everybody, this is Nintendo Classic Edition, NES. This is original from Nintendo. This is a 2018 edition. It's mini. This sign 10 years plus means it's 2018 edition. Okay, so this is how it looks. It comes with 30 games built into the console. You can't play any cartridges here. There is no cartridge slot on this console. Okay, it's like this over here, like this over here. And CU serial number starts with CU over here. This is UPC. Okay, so we're gonna unbox it. This particular one is modded, so it comes from manufacturer. It only comes with 30 games, but this can be modded and you can add many other games, hundreds and even thousands of other games. So this was already opened before and modded, and I just it was put back. Okay, so here we have the console here. Serial number over here. Okay, this is how it looks. 2 controllers. Manual. Comes with only 1 controller, unfortunately, and the cord for it is not that long. It's pretty short. Okay, so this is one. You plug into the first one. This is power adapter. This is how it looks. Nintendo here. This is how it looks. If it doesn't look like that, then it's fake. 2 buttons here on original controller. Micro USB and USB is for power. We're gonna open this one. Okay, so this one plugs in here, and this one plugs in here. HDMI cord. I'm gonna open it too. It says HDMI here, Nintendo over here. Over here these signs, and here HDMI. So you can. So new console is HDMI. It's not new. It's already discontinued. They don't make this anymore. Okay, so this one goes in here. Power adapter goes in here, and HDMI cord goes into your TV or monitor. So we have the console plugged in. So now we turn it on. We press the button here, red light. And it may take a few seconds, and then you'll see everything on your TV or monitor right there. So as I said before, this one is a modded one, so it has 1,000 games here. Okay, so these are games that come from manufacturer, these 30 games. To get more games, in the modded one, we have this additional folder where we have more games. All games go alphabetically, in folders. Each folder contains 30 games. So you can easily find your game alphabetically. So let's see. Here are original games. These are 30 games that come from manufacturer. So let's try something. It's Southern games. It's more than they were released in the United States. So there are some unreleased games or some games that were released only in other markets, like in Japan or in Europe or never actually released. So let's try a few games. Let's try this here. DuckTales. Okay, let's try DuckTales. This is added. This game is added. It doesn't come with the console from manufacturer. I don't know. Difficult, easy. Okay. Okay. Doesn't go that well, so. Yeah, I want it. If you wanna save game progress, you press here reset button over here, and then you see the save here. Then you press down, and then you can place your save to one of the slots by pressing A. Bam. And then it's there. And for example, if you want to play a different game, Worm Gym 3. Okay, let's do this one. You want to play this game? Okay, and then you finished playing this game, and you press reset, and you can save this game. Maybe you want to save it here instead. So 4 save games per game. Okay, then you want to go back to DuckTales. So you see here, and we have save game here, and we want to play it, and it's loaded from the exact place where we stopped. Okay, I have to talk to him. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching.